Upload invoice while accepting the delivery. Go to Accept Delivery feature and open the respective delivery. Input invoice and delivery note. And update delivery date, product quantity, and product price as per invoice. And accept delivery. After completing the delivery, system allowed to upload invoice or delivery note PDF, size up to 3 MB. Cross-check the uploaded invoice after clicking on attachment symbol. Delete button is available to remove uploaded invoice, delivery note. Go to List Deliveries to upload the invoice for closed delivery. Apply filter to segregate the invoices without attachment. Click on delivery amount to open the delivery details and upload invoice.